How to stop a tree stump from growing leaf shoots. A tree stump that continues to grow new branches and leaves is a tree stump that is still alive. It is surely a nuisance to have to deal with a tree stump that won't quit. If you want to get rid of the shoots and leaves of the tree stump, you will have to remove the stump itself. Fortunately, there is an easy method of killing the stump so that it will stop growing. Things you'll need: caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, water, bucket, hand drill. Pour 1 part caustic soda with 2 parts tap water into a bucket. Mix the solution thoroughly. Drill holes into the stump with the hand drill. Separate holes by 3 to 4 inches. Pour the solution into the holes and soak the entire stump. Reapply the solution every week until the stump is soft enough to disintegrate. Once the stump is soft enough, you can use a shovel to break it apart fully and remove it.